So one of the consequences of treating your car like crap and taking it through seawater, muddy lakes, muddy streams, rivers, dirt, filth, crap, is that I've absolutely mashed the on-off switch. So if I'm going to hotwire it instead, and the way to turn it on will be just to attach the battery instead. So these are two wires that come off the switch. So I've pulled them off. All we're going to do is strip the wire a little bit. So let's pretend we're in Grand Theft Auto. And see, those lights come on. And so the only way to turn the power on and off is to now just disconnect the battery instead. Just a bit of electrical wire to tidy it all off, and that is a simple fix. There we go.